So how to graft cacao? Ano to? Ungrafted cacao, no? Chupon. Chupon ito mga kaulaber. So dito tayo sa pencil size. Alright. Cut. Tulin natin. Then biyagin natin sa gitna, no? Yan. This scion from grafted tree. From grafted tree. Scion from grafted tree. Yan. Pencil size with active bud eye. Ayan, no? Bud eye. Then healthy scion. Healthy scion. Tapos 1, 2 or 1, 2, 3. 3 bud eye is about 4 inches. 3 inches to 4 inches. Yan. Wedging. Yan. Ano? Yan. So, dikit lang natin. Yan. Yan, o. Nakadikit na siya. Kuha ka ng plastic. Texas plastic. 1/2 by 10. 1 in 1/2 by 10. So, pwede natin ilagay sa gitna, no? Isuksok natin, no? Cover it with plastic. Yan. At least 3 weeks, no? 3 weeks pwede natin i-remove. Just like that, mga kaulaber. Very easy. Then, we have this grafting tape para wala po siyang singaw. Wala. Finish. That's it. And this is also grafting knife. So my tools are grafting knife, grafting tape, or anything. Cellophane, pruning shear. That's it.